There is something about the outside of a horse that is good for the inside of a man. Welcome to this rural horse property at 1095 Highway 95. 80 acres, perfect for your horses and yourself. Hi, I'm Alisha Collins.
And I'm Chris Neiswanger with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team.
And this is Izzy. Today we're at a home that has 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and an attached 2-car garage.
The work has already been done for you. New steel siding, new steel roof, and new windows. This Cleary built building is approximately 30 by 40 with 16-foot sidewalls. It can be used as a shop or a toy shed.
Let's talk about the new in this home. New luxury vinyl planking throughout the entire space. And in the kitchen, the heart of the home, you're gonna love these newly epoxy resined countertops. They're absolutely stunning. I love the design on them. There's lots of cabinets, the taller upper cabinets like you know I love, and lots of counter space.
Newer black stainless steel appliances, including a fancy French door refrigerator.
You are going to love how open this floor plan is and all the natural light coming in from those new windows. So the kitchen goes into the dining room and then into this vaulted ceiling living room. It opens to the upstairs and is super spacious for all of your furniture. Now, there's a pellet stove that the owners tell us heats the entire house during the winter.
There's a main floor bedroom, bathroom, and laundry, and there's even 3 bedrooms upstairs.
Come check out these bedrooms. Spacious bedrooms with a bath in between. This home is over 1,800 square feet. This Cleary built barn is 42 by 48, has 4 stalls, plenty of room for more stalls or hay storage, and it has electricity. Can't you just imagine all of your horses and yourself on this great property?
The entire 80 acres is fenced. We'd love to show you this property. Call or text us today.
Remember, we want you and your horses to love where you live.